Hi everyone. If you're using Bypass Paywalls Clean and the site isn't working, then I'll be going over some troubleshooting steps. I'm currently using Firefox, but if you're using Chrome, then it's fine as well. So I'm going to go into my extensions, and there's the extension, and I'm going to pin it to the toolbar, so it helps to know when it's active. So there it is, and now I'm going to go into my extensions, and there's Bypass Paywalls Clean, and I'm going to go into Manage, and so make sure you have the latest version running. So here I have Allow Automatic Updates off. And there are some people that prefer to manually update their extensions. And if you do, then you'll have to manually update it. But if you prefer Allow Automatic Updates, then you can just hit on. And also as well, you have to go into Options and then go to Opt-in and go to Check Update Opt-in and ensure it's enabled, set to yes. So in this case it is. It's going to go back out. Going to go back into my extensions. And are you using a private window? So if you are, you'll have to allow. And next, if you're running on a site with restrictions, then you'll have to allow. So currently I'm running version 4.2.3.0, and this is a dated version. So I'll be testing it out by going into Albuquerque Journal. I'm going to open up a private window. And the site comes up, accept all and continue. I'm going to select the link, and the link comes up, and it comes up. We can see here in the extension that it's on. And scrolling down, we could see that there's no content here. So I'm going to go back into my extensions, and I'm going to do a manual update. So hit the gear, check for updates. All right, and we can see here Bypass Paywalls Clean requires new settings to update. Cancel to keep your current version and settings, or update to get the new version and approve to changes. So I'm going to update. All right, and we get this option screen again. I'm just going to close it for now. And going back into the add-on manager. And so we can see at the bottom here it's been updated 4.3.3.0. So that's good. So going back into Albuquerque Journal, and I'm going to do a refresh, Control F5, and scrolling down, and now the content comes up. So it's working. Next thing is to make sure that your site is enabled for Bypass Paywalls Clean. And I'll open up a new tab. I'm going to go to a new site. I'm going to go to Forbes. All right, Forbes comes up. And if I click on the link, and we see the paywall come up. And also as well, at the top right, we can see that it shows it that it's off. So I'm going to go into the options, and I'm going to ensure that Forbes is enabled. And then I'm going to save. All right, going to go back and then refresh, Control F5. All right, and we can see the content available. Going to go back into the options. And so these are all the sites here that it's enabled. And if your site is not listed, then you can go to custom sites, and then you can add in your custom site and make sure that you opt in. It's going to opt in, enable, allow. I'm going to go back and then add in the site. So you'll add in the title, put in the domain. If it's part of a group, allow or remove cookies. You can set the user agent. So it's on the request, so it doesn't come in as my Firefox browser. You can change the referrer. You can set a random IP. You can block JS, JavaScript, and block JS inline and regex. Can be used if you're blocking Pelcro, for example. And then there's AMP redirect. And looks to be for mobile pages. And scrolling down. And then you got here referring to the JSON data. And then there's CS code. And then afterwards you would hit add. So before adding in the custom site, I'm going to do the test. So I'm going to go to Forbes Slovakia, open up a new tab, Forbes.sk, and scrolling down, I'm going to click on the link, scrolling down, and we see the paywall. I'm going to go back, I'm going to scroll up, and so the author has provided examples, including Forbes Slovakia. So I'm going to go to Help, and then download example list of custom sites, and I'm going to search for it. All right. And so this is all JSON data. I'm going to copy, go back into my options, put it in as a title. The domain will be the same. Going back, allow cookies 1, set. And then this is the CS code. And I'm going to copy everything in the square brackets. Open up Notepad. And I'm going to do a search and replace. Edit, replace. Place the backslashes. Place all. Close. Copy. Minimize. And then scrolling down to the CS code. And then hit add. All right, we can see it's listed there. Scrolling down, and I'm going to hit save. And then I'm going to go to the bottom. And so there's my custom site. And so I'm going to go back to the site here. And then refresh, Control F5. And so we can see the content. Going to go back. And going to go custom sites. And so to add in the entire custom sites list automatically, you can scroll down and import from online. All right, and so we can see all the sites have been added and hit save. All right, and I'm going to go to the bottom, and so we can see all the custom sites there. All right, and I'm going to go back to the site and just going to do another test on another article here. So click on this article, and we see the content coming up. So that's it. That's some troubleshooting steps to get Bypass Paywalls Clean working. I hope this video has been useful, and I thank you for watching. Bye now.